Without objection, the gentleman is recognized for 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to pay tribute to a hero, Fargo police officer Jason Moszer. While in the Army National Guard, he was deployed as a combat medic to Bosnia and Iraq. Officer Moszer joined the Fargo Police Department in 2009, and in 2012 he and a fellow officer were awarded the department's Star Medal for rescuing 2 children from an apartment fire. On the night of February 10th, Officer Moszer responded to a domestic disturbance, putting himself in danger to help others, something he had done many times. On this night, however, gunshots were fired and a bullet struck Officer Moszer, causing a fatal wound. He died the next afternoon, but not before one last heroic act. It is reported at least 5 people, ages 26 to 61, are being helped thanks to his donated organs. I thank our U.S. Capitol Police officers for their service to us every day. I especially thank Officer Andy Mabel, who traveled to Fargo to represent the Capitol Police and the National Memorial Committee, which he chairs. Andy lent his expertise to the Fargo PD and planners as they prepared for a fellow officer's funeral, an event that had not occurred in Fargo in over 130 years. God bless all the men and women who wear the badge, and God bless the memory of Officer Jason Moszer. I yield back the balance of my time.